Hello dear students, today I am here to prepare a video, a short for your reference, how you can practice cursive handwriting. As I have seen in my class, some of you are facing very much difficulty in writing cursive. When it comes to write cursive or in 4 lines, you face so much of difficulty and your handwriting is quite, it's very difficult for me to understand what you write, and your handwriting also doesn't look so good. So for the betterment of your handwriting, for improvement of your handwriting, I'm going to tell you how you can practice at home. Also you can practice how you can start practicing with the strokes of letters, and then how will you come to the letters and words one by one. So let us start by this. I hope this will be fruitful for you all. Let me take the background, which is similar to your 4 lines English notebook. So it is like that. In an English notebook also there are 4 lines in each line. So we can start writing like this. Okay, this is for first of all you may start practicing some strokes, okay, which will help you to make a grip. So like you can start like this all together without removing your pencil from the notebook. Continuously if you practice, it will make you grip for writing cursive properly. The whole line can be filled like this. The next you can start is like that. Follow the lines. In this manner you can start. Let me change the color. Yes, this may help you to write like L. Now for writing U also you can just for W. Like this stroke you can do practice. All single, following the middle line. Okay. Let me come to the next. Like you write O. So some of the strokes you can practice in your English notebook in this manner. Next we can do like this, middle line. If not like this, then we will notice this will be a little difficult. We won't write 2 lines together. So you can simply start like this without removing your pencil from the textbook. I'm in the practice, so I'm doing it fast. You need to do it slowly. In this manner, you can do. Next, we have yes, we can do like this also. It will help you to write X. So this is what we can do. First of all, we can start with these strokes. So you will have to practice for 2-3 days. If you practice making these strokes without removing your pencil from the notebook, it will make a grip, and then we will move towards the letters, and we will start. You may start writing the first. We will start with the small letters. Either you can start like this, A. Sorry. You can start writing A in middle, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Or you can divide, like first you can start with the middle case A, then we have C which is written inside, E, then I, then we have M, N, O, R, S, U, B, W, X. These many are in the lowercase. Then you can move ahead with this. B, B, H. Upper two boxes will be filled with this. K, L, T. These many are there. And then you can start. Now we may go ahead with this downside. G, J, Y, and Z. And then we have the different case, that is F. It has gone out. Correct it. Which includes all four letters of all four lines. So these are like this. You can follow dividing the alphabets in different cases, like lower, middle, and upper, where you have to follow. And then after that, you can move. Before you move to the capital letters, you can start writing this in one line. This is T. You might have observed that I have not removed my pen until I completed A to Z. So this is one of the ways you can start with, and with this you can then let me take the new one. Let me come to the new with the capitals. We can start like this. Capital. Wait. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. After practicing it for many times, you can go ahead with, let me change the color, like capital and small all together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and we have N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Same thing we are going to do for the small letters also. A, B together, B, C together, C, D together, D, E together, E, F together, F, G together, G, H together, H, I together, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, and so on. So these are the ways you can start practicing. So first of all, what we are going to do, you are going to practice on the stops. Moving forward, you will come to the small letters in different ways. You will practice that. Then you will come to the capital letters, and then together capital and small, and then you will come to this. So if you practice it regularly for 15 to 20 days, your handwriting will be fully improved, and you will also like your handwriting, and it will be I think for teachers also and for you also will be very easy to read what you are writing in 4 lines English notebook. So that's all. So thank you, and I hope this will be fruitful for all of you. Thank you.